And we're recording, very nice. Okay, so we got the BOB57. First flight on actual 6S packs. We did some flights on 4S packs when we first got it because we didn't have any 6S. We're gonna test a real fail-safe. We're gonna shut the radio down while we're up in the sky, turn it back on, relink. Probably test GPS rescue first to make sure that's all good. Then we'll turn the radio off, turn it back on. But very curious to see how it runs on 6S because 4S, it definitely was underpowered. It flew okay, but definitely underpowered, so. Let's run it at 250 and see how it does. So this first test, I figure I'll just see how 6S runs and then I'll fly it for a sec. And then I'm gonna flip the GPS rescue switch, make sure it works. And then once it kind of just flies back, I'll turn it off and take back control. That way, at least we know it works good. And then on one of your flights, we're gonna shut that radio off. Okay. All right, so, wow, the picture is always so clear in these. It's unfreaking believable. Okay, we're at 0 sats right now, but it should pick them up. We have 7 sats, which means we can arm and take off. We're all good. I can already feel that it has a lot more power. Okay, I'm gonna smack the GPS switch now that we have 10 sats, and I'm gonna see what it does. I wanna do it mid-turn too, to really see what this does. Immediately went into angle. It's punching up. On GPS rescue, we're going really high. Okay, we're at 500 feet. We're incredibly high. Oh, that's why. It's going to my max altitude. Where is it?
It's right behind us.
It's toilet bowling, but it should be coming down. Oh, it's coming way down. Okay, I'm cutting it off. I'm in control. So yeah, I mean, it worked. Like I said, it takes a minute and it's not perfect. It is obviously an emergency thing where you lose your radio link and it's gonna bring it back to you close enough you can grab link again.
All right.
So max speed was 60 miles an hour. Max altitude was 421. Flight distance was 1,200 feet. So the max distance away from us was 1,200 feet away in the back corner of the park. Total distance was 3.25 miles, I believe. So that worked out good. He just got done with his first flight. Everything went good. We finally have a lot of satellites. I don't know if this is like not what you should do, but I feel like it's the best way to simulate a real link loss is to shut the radio off mid-flight. Once it enters GPS rescue and it's on its way back, you can turn the radio back on and get your link back. So that's what we're gonna do now with this BOB57. Okay.
Oh, kind of hot.
Hit shut off.
RX, oh, I lost.
What is it saying?
RX lost.
Okay.
Okay, it's flying. Seems like it's flying back.
Yep. I see it. Okay, so now turn the radio back on. Okay. And now move your sticks a bit.
It says fail safe.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
You're back.
Okay, I'm back.
You're back. There's a real fail-safe for you.
We did it.
So we're good. That was terrifying, but I had faith that the setup would work. So there it is. That's how I would test my quad when I get my 7-inch done. That's how I would test to make sure fail-safe and GPS rescue is actually set up correctly, is to shut your radio off. That way it's a real fail-safe. The link completely disappears. The quad doesn't see that. And it worked perfectly. It started to fly back and got above us. He clicked it back on and moved the sticks. I think it's more than 30%. Link is back, all good.
All right, so we're gonna see if we can get a chase shot. I've never done this before.
But if it works, it'll be really cool. So we're gonna try to get a drone chasing shot here.